Alright, then let's start with the text section that is going to be beneath the cover image, and let's first create the section tag, and let's call it wrapper. Then text dark to get dark colored font, then BG gray to get a slight gray background, then get inside and create a div tag, and let's call it d-flex-c. This will change the display property to flex and the flex direction to column, because the elements that we are going to define within this div tag have to be stacked one in a row. Then space container to add some padding around it. Alright, then get inside and let's first create the title for this section. Create a div element and let's call it text center to keep the text center aligned. Then get inside and create a h6 tag, that is the heading tag, and write the class as heading to change the font style. Space text hyphen uppercase to change the characters to uppercase characters. Then my-1 to add 1 rem of padding top and below it. Space font hyphen x2, and we have already defined these classes before. If you want, you can refer to the style.css and see what are the properties that we have defined within these classes, and then write any text for the heading. Alright, then get down and create a paragraph text or a p tag and write the class as my-3 to add 3 rem of margin top and below it. Let me just copy the text from the website. Alright, paste it, and you can write any other text that you want. Alright, then let's define the rest of the text. Create a div tag, get inside and create another div tag and write class as 1_half and id as extra text. Then get inside and create a unordered list tag, that is the ul tag, and write class as mx-2. This is going to add 2 rem of margin left and right. Then get inside and create li tag and write class 1_half space my-1. Then get inside and create a article tag, and then within that we are going to create the heading tag or the h6 tag and write class as heading space font-x1. Then get inside and create a link and write the text as any text that you want. Let me just copy the text from the website. Alright, paste it. And this is the HTML code for adding 3 dots. Alright. Let's add class as no space text hyphen justify to the paragraph text or the p tag. Alright, then we need to create one more paragraph of text. So we can just copy this li tag. You can see where this li tag is closing, and copy this entire block and just paste it below 3 times. This is going to create 4 paragraph text. You can see where this div tag is closing after the closing of ul tag. And get outside it. Create a new div tag and write class as 1 underscore half. Space my hyphen 1 and id as main hyphen text. We are giving this id because we are going to hide the element referred by id extra text in small screens, and we will retain this element which has this main text id. Then get inside and create a paragraph text and write class as font access. This will create very small font size and my-1. Then write the text. In the same way, create a heading tag. And write any heading. Then create a paragraph text. Write class as text-justify. So we have created these 2 headings, and let me copy the text here. Paste it here. Alright. And let me copy this entire p tag and paste it once. Alright. Then add one class to this p tag, the bottom one, my-1, to add some margin top and below it. Alright, then create a footer. This is not the footer for the entire body, this is the footer for this div tag, and we are going to create a button inside it. Create a button tag and write class as btn. We have already defined this btn class. Then write the text within it. Alright. So now let's define the 1 underscore half class. Get inside the style.css and refer to that class by using dot. Then display as inline block, float as left, list style as none because we do not want the bullet symbol, width as 48%. So the 1/2 class is going to divide its container into half, and we are giving it 48% of the width because we want some space for margin and padding as well. So 48% is fine. Alright. We need to add some margin to the left of the text. Alright, then remove this margin of 1 rem top and bottom from the 3rd and the 4th li tag. That is, remove the my-1 from the class of the 3rd and the 4th li tag. we need to add some margin to the left of the text. Add some margin using the ID. Alright. This is the extra text and this is the article tag that is going to be referred, and these are the articles. Alright, and now we need to create this parallax image section.